So this button on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro is a shortcut button, and you can program it to do whatever you want for a single press or for a double press. Okay, so you can see it does different things. So to customize what it does, simply go to the main menu by pressing on the crown once, and then go to settings. And under settings, if you scroll on the settings page, you should see the option down button. Okay, so it's also called the down button. So tap on that, and then you have the function for press once and for press twice. So for press once, if you look at it, it's set to workout, and that's why when I press it once, it just opens workout. So I could change that to something else, like maybe SpO₂, maybe blood oxygen. And so from now, when I press this button, it goes to the blood oxygen up, right? So I can go back there to the settings and also customize the press twice option. Now, the press twice option is only set to wallet, and you cannot change it to anything else, unfortunately. Okay, so that opens up your wallet and nothing else. Now, if you have some other wallets installed, you could change between the different payment applications that you might have on your watch. But currently, since I only have wallet, that's the only one I can select. So that is basically how to do that. How to customize the down button or the shortcut button on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Watch Fit 4 Pro. Thanks for watching and good luck.